Hello friend, welcome. So this is our Eclipse environment developing our Connect 4 game Java in Java. Let's run it. So let's show you a small problem we have here. So here normally we stop it right using this small red button to stop it. But what if we close the window here, right? Let's see. You see? It's still alive. The app is still inside the memory of our computer. That's bad. We don't need that behavior. So we have to stop it here. So how can we fix that? Let's try it again. Run it, right? If we close here, this is like it is killed by our Eclipse. It's in the debugging environment. But if it's the real app, right? We close that and it still is alive in our memory of a computer. So that's bad. So to quit, to completely quit, right? We need to add something like that. Frame.set default close operation here. What is the operation? We can use jframe dot exit on close. So it means when we close it, it exits the full app, right? The complete app. Now let's try it again. So this time when we close the window, it quit the app. Yeah, it quits the app. So yeah, look here, right? The red icon here. So when we close it, it's gone. Okay, so this is, yeah, we do need that. Otherwise by default is like it remains in the computer's memory. Okay, now in this video we'll try to add a button under our game board. Okay, so to do that we need to introduce the layout manager. We need a layout manager to manage the layout. So if we simply add a button, like let's create a button here, J button, Java button, reset button. We'll use the button to reset the game. Okay, button equals new J button. Let's put a title here. Okay, so it'll be reset. So if we simply add the button like in this way, dot add reset button, okay, maybe we want to put this one at the end. Now let's see what happened. So yeah, so now we can close this one and run again. Oh, you see the reset button occupies the whole screen here. And where is our game board? No. Now what if we use the panel to add our button? Let's see. So close it and run again. The button is here. So anyway, we want to control the layout, right? We wanted to put like we use a layout manager, so we can put the game board on top and the button at the bottom. So we'll use the simplest border layout to arrange our game board and the button. Okay, so to create a layout, border layout, we use this here. So border layout, like that. Border layout B, okay, equals new border layout, like that. Now we can set our frame dot set layout to our manager, right? B, border layout manager. Okay, so maybe we can use the name like border layout manager, B manager, or border manager. Border layout, no, just B. Border layout. Oh, let's put all of them here. So border layout manager, border layout manager. Yeah. So now this time when we add, okay, so let's put this to the top here. After we create the frame, we set the default close operation, and or we can just use this, copy and paste. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So we can save that knowing thing. Set layout. Okay, now when we add our panel here, add a panel, we can specify the layout, like border layout dot, let's put it here is the panel, let's put it on the center. Okay, so border layout, we can put something in the center or the north or the south. We'll put our game board in the center and the button under it, so it will be south of that. Okay, add panel, so we'll use frame at, right, button, we can specify where the location, border layout dot south. Okay, now let's try it. So stop, run again. Yeah, you see the button is under it, and we can resize the window so the button is always under. So this is south, right, and here is the center. We cannot use north here. North and the south, it will be gone. Okay, so let's see, stop it and run it again. Yeah, there's no game board here, so we have to put it back. Now how can we make the button bigger? We can set its dimension. So reset button dot set preferred size dimension. Let's create a dimension here. Dimension width and height. Okay, so What about 100 and hide 40? Okay, so now let's see. Yeah, the button is bigger, right? And yeah, this one, the 40 takes effect there, but 100 I think is, it can be anything here. -1. Let's try it again. So it's irrelevant here using the border layout. Yeah, you see, so it doesn't matter here. Let's resize it. Cool. So in the next video, we'll try to implement the functionality of our reset button. So when we play the game, and when we click reset, we should remove all the pieces to reset to the initial game state. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next